Everybody, it's from Jayashree. I am from SNS College of Technology, Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take the characteristics of living organisms. Okay, let us see what do you mean by 8 characteristics of life. That is, there are 8 characteristics of life for the living organisms. No single character is enough to describe a living being. They must all have 8 characteristics. Okay, so let us see one by one in detail. Living things are made up of cells. Yes, for example, if you build the house, what you will do? If you take the brick and you will construct each and every wall and every line, finally you construct a house. Similarly here, if you want to generate or if you want to become human beings or if you want to become plants or animals, each tiny particles of cells are made up of living things. These living things can also reproduce. Okay, so there are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction for plants and sexual reproduction for human beings. And living things are based on the universal genetic code, DNA. Okay, and next one is what living things grow and develop. Okay, living things can also grow and develop. Next, living things obtain and use materials and energy. Okay, living things respond to their environment. Living things maintain a stable internal environment. Taken as a group, living things change over time. Okay, so let us see what are the two types of cells. They can be either unicellular or multicellular. Okay, if only one cell is formed based on the one cell, that is what unicellular organisms. If it is a multicellular, it is the formation of several cells. Okay, it is more than one cell picture of the multicellular organisms. That is what multicellular cells. Okay, so as I already said, living things are made up of unicellular and multicellular. Okay, next one is what? It is also living things can also reproduce. There are two types of reproduction. Number one is what? Asexual reproduction. Number two is what? Sexual reproduction. Okay, it is a reproduction that requires only one parent is what? Asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction to reproduce that require two parents. Okay. Next one, DNA based on the genetic code. DNA is a genetic code found in every cell. DNA is inherited from parents and control your traits. Okay. Next, fourth one is what? Grow and develop. First, it is form the karyophores. After this, radicle is formed from the seed. From the seed, seminal roots and coleoptile is formed. Okay, and then this coleoptile forms the first leaf, and again this second leaf formed and third leaf is formed. Okay, and finally it has the adventitious roots. Okay, that is what? Grow and develop. Next one, need of materials and energy. Living things need a constant supply of materials and energy. Metabolism, it is the process of using those materials. Okay, next one is what? Living things need a constant supply of materials and energy and the process of using those materials. This is what? Response to the environment. Okay, organisms detect and respond stimuli and external stimuli and internal stimuli. Okay, next one is one, maintaining internal balance. Despite changing conditions around them, organism must keep their internal conditions stable and balanced. Homeostasis, the process of keeping the internal environment stable, balanced and constant is known as homeostasis. Okay. Next, at last, finally, we get the change over time. Over hundreds and thousands and millions of years, living organisms have the potential to change. That is what evolutions. Okay. So that's all about the 8 characteristics of life. Thank you all.